Alright guys, to activate the slow closing mechanism, you're going to have a couple pieces that I'm going to bring you. You have the attachment to the actual door, 2 screws to attach this, and this screw is going to keep the slow closing spring in place, which I'll refer to later. So, whoa, don't do that. But this is your door. So let's say this is the door. The door already has 2 pre-drilled holes in it. Let's attach those. Alright, obviously the door will be upright like so. As it's in the upright position, this here is already included into the in the banquette. You can just pull this right out. So it's in something like this, like so. It is not attached completely yet, so you can simply take it out. What you're going to do here is take this. This has a head that matches this in its vertical position. So you're going to tilt this way and swing it around. And then it will simply hinge here, and you can put it on here. So there's a hole, a receiving hole. And lastly, this last screw just screws into here nicely to keep it snug and keep it from coming off. I'll need another hand. And after that, this should just close nicely, like so. Obviously, these pieces are not attached, so it's not going to have a slow closing feature here, but it will when you complete yours, because I already tested it out.